everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Canva and make sure you are logged into the account where you have your Canva Pro subscription. Next, click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen and select Account Settings from the menu. Once you are inside the settings, go to the Billing and Plans section on the left side. Here you will see the details of your current plan. Click on Cancel Plan under the Canva Pro section. Canva will ask for confirmation. Just follow the prompts, select a reason for canceling, and then click the Continue Canceling button to confirm. After that, you will see a message saying your subscription will end at the end of your current billing period. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.